Hey guys, so a quick video today on how to fix your screen being flipped upside down on our T-Series unit. We find this happens a lot of people record it's happened after they've done a firmware update, or maybe it might be the first time you've started the unit. If this is the case, it's just a settings change, so I'm going to guide you through it today. I'm going to assume that you've got the screen upside down and that's the reason you're on this video, so the video will be filmed upside down. So you just want to go to System, and System again, and then look for Factory Settings. The code to get into here is 7890. Just hit tick. Now, there should just be an option called Screen Rotation. It's a little hard to tell when it's upside down, but it is usually right at the top, so it's this one here. I'll actually flip the camera around so you can see that. Screen Rotation, just change it from positive to negative. Or if it's already on positive, just do vice versa. And then down here, you'll see Save and Restart. Again, I'm gonna flip that around. Save and Restart, so I'll hit that, and then just let it do its thing. And there we go. The unit is all fixed and oriented the right way. Cheers.